Wolf knew to Baba. Once upon a time there was a man and a woman who had 2 children, a boy and a girl. The boy is called Baba, and the girl is called Nyashya. The next day the man will die. A few days later, the woman also died. Children are left alone. Nyashya and Baba go to the forest, and they live by hunting birds. A boy finds a house in the rock for his sister. The boy went to hunt birds. The girl was left there. The boy comes at night. He would run away and sing, "Nyashya Baba, open me. My son, open me. I killed the Akai and it is yours and mine. I killed the Agai and it is yours and mine." His sister said, "Laruk Larok Baba come in," and the rock bounced. He brought the birds and cooked them, and the girl was hungry, and they ate. Early in the morning, the time of the birds, his old man got up and went to hunt animals to feed them. He killed the sheep, he killed the rabbits, he killed the crow, and he went home. He reached the rock and sang, "My father, open it. My son, open it. I killed a deer, it's yours. I killed a rabbit, it's yours. I killed a deer, it's yours. We'll share what's in it." Nyashya said, "Get off the rock, Baba, come in." The rock is born. His old man entered. They cook and eat. In the morning he went back to hunting. The next day the wolf came and listened to what Baba was saying and singing. One day it tries to imitate him. The girl said, "Isn't that voice my brother's?" He is silent, the monster walks away, but soon he will be able to imitate Baba. Then he came and called. The girl said, "Barukarudat Baba, come in." The rock opens. He sees the wolf coming. He said, "Oh my father." Nyashya, "Grandfather, finish the mud pud lest wolf, we are still in your stomach." Nyashya, "Grandpa, can you finish the rice balls?" The wolf, "Yes, my dear." The girl took a stick and pointed to the puddles, saying, "So, Grandfather, the girl who goes outside is yours, the girl who goes first is mine, the one who goes to the lamp is my brother's." Warapaisi said, "I agree." So he pointed out the rivers. One stream is coming out, going out. Nyashya said, "There you go." The wolf ran outside. The girl said, "Stick to the rocks." The rocks stick to each other. The girl stays there. The wolf is walking. His old man will come in the evening and call his sister again as usual. The other is silent, afraid that it is the wolf that is coming. His brother called again, and his sister realized it was him. He said to the rock, "Run Baba, come in." Baba enters, and finds Nyashya scared. He said, "What is it?" The other said, "Let the animal come and call me like you usually call me." I said, "Run the rock, Baba, come in." The rock opened, and I saw a monster come in. I said, "Grandfather, stop the waves of butterflies for you. We're going to leave you in the stomach." He said, "Yes, my wife." I said to myself, "The one that goes outside is yours, the one that goes to the lamp is my brother's, the one that goes to the front is mine." Then the stream goes out and I say, "Take it." He ran out and told me that the rock was holding me back. His old man was waiting there. He threw himself a spear and a sword, saying that he would come back and kill him. But he had heard him and knew that he was there. He waited 3 days and it did not come. Hunger killed him, and his sister said, "You know it was fear that killed you." So he went to hunt the beasts. When he doesn't run away, the wolf comes back and imitates Baba again. The girl says that it is her old man, and tells the rock to open. When he goes to see, he sees that the beast has entered. "No. Mine is over." When he told her to finish the bath, he said, "I don't want anything." Then it eats him. His old man will come and find the wolf that ate his sister, and he will call out to him. He told the rock to open, and he went in and lit the furnace. He was buried in the roof of the rock by his sister's leg. He looked around and found that the leg belonged to his sister's old wolf. So he slept there. He slept without sleeping, and in the morning he went to avenge his sister. Finally he discovered the wolf, and he was going to kill it, saying first, "Cut off this finger and take out my hand and I ate it. Cut off the right thumb and take out your father and I ate it. Cut off this thumb, take out your sister." He does so, and takes away his relatives. He still throws the spear and kills. He hated all that wolf's house, so he got ready and went home, all happy. I am not holy.